In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter expenses without a connected bank in QuickBooks Online. Even if your bank isn't linked, you can still keep accurate records by manually entering each expense. And I'll walk you through the exact form to use and what each field means, so your books stay clean and easy to reconcile later. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Click the New button at the top left to open the Create menu, then choose Expense. This brings up the expense form, which is where you'll capture the details of the purchase. Begin by selecting the payee. This is the vendor, supplier, or person who was paid. Choosing the correct payee helps you see where your money is going, keeps vendor reports accurate, and makes it easier to answer questions about spending later. Next, select the payment account. This is the account the money actually came from, such as a checking account, a cash-on-hand account, or a credit card. Picking the right account ensures the correct balance is reduced and sets you up for an easy match if you connect your bank in the future. Update the payment date to match the day the funds left your account, and choose the payment method, like credit card, check, or cash. If you have a check or receipt number, you can enter it in the reference field so the transaction is easy to trace. Now add the category and details of the expense, along with the amounts. The category is the expense account from your chart of accounts, such as office supplies, meals, or utilities. You can split a single purchase into multiple lines if it covered different types of expenses. Add a clear description so anyone reviewing later understands what the charge was for. If you track customers, locations, or classes, assign those here for better reporting. Include tax if applicable, and double-check that the total matches your receipt. Take a moment to add any other necessary details, like a memo for context or an attachment of the receipt, so you have documentation right inside QuickBooks. When everything looks right, click Save at the bottom right. QuickBooks will record the expense and update the selected account's balance accordingly. That's all you need to do to manually enter an expense without a connected bank. By consistently following these steps, your records will stay organized, your reports will be accurate, and you'll be ready to reconcile quickly if you connect your bank later. Thanks for watching, and keep your receipts handy so your entries are always complete and reliable.